Good morning to our followers, cacao farmers in Asia, different countries in Asia, because we have followers from Laos, from Cambodia, from Vietnam, from Indonesia. So I explain to you the lifespan of a cacao tree because we have the visitors from Europe. They're asking, just like our visitors yesterday, they're asking it how old a cacao tree will last. So for the lifespan of cacao tree, if we really take care, handle it very well, give it good nutrition and good management in the cacao farm, it will last up to 200 years old. Yes, and the productive stage of a cacao tree during the month that it gives a good production like this one, so it will last up to 25 years. So meaning from the first year that the cacao give good production, it will last until 25 years that it will continue give good production in your farm. But in the 26th year, the production will become lower and lower and lower as the cacao tree getting older. So during the 25 years of cacao tree of his production, it give a good production. We have a technique of that so that we will not plant again another cacao seedling. The purpose is make it a productive cacao again by doing a rejuvenation. I will explain to you. And for the example of that one, the one that I said that in the 26th year of the cacao tree like this, the production will become lower. So that's the time that we will make a rejuvenation. So we will wait that this cacao tree not productive anymore. It has a production but not good. To make the good production maintained, so we will do the rejuvenation. We will wait that it will have a new shoot like this one, and then this will become in the size of a pencil. We will cut here in this area, and then we'll get a stick from the productive cacao and insert it here, do the top grafting so that this will be the next productive cacao tree. So after 2 months, 2 to 3 months, this will become strong enough to sustain for herself, to survive. With that's the time that we will cut this original tree so that it will grow fast, and then after 1 year this will be the next cacao that will give production. It starts giving fruits. It is faster comparing that we will kill this tree and plant another seedling, because it will take 2 years for a seedling to give production, approximately 2 years. But with this kind of technique, we call it the rejuvenation, or some of the people here in the Philippines, they call it rehabilitation technique. It will only have 1 year of giving production. Why? The reason is the root system is already here, established here. So the root system will be the root system of this one, because we will cut this old tree. So that's the kind of a technique that we introduce to different cacao farmers here in the Philippines. I will show you the one that I make already the rejuvenation, and it's now in a 1 year old, and it has now fruits. And my friends, this is the result, because this is the non-productive cacao tree, and I do the top grafting of this shoot. So this is the shoot. I do the grafting. So this is now the area, and it's already healed. And this bud stick or scion is from the productive cacao tree, and it is now in the 1 year old. So it has now, you see, a fruit, and has flowers and a fruit here. So we'll not include this one because this is not good. So we'll count how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 fruits of a 1-year-old rehabilitated or rejuvenated cacao. So for the lifespan of cacao, it will last up to 200 years old if we really take care of our cacao trees in our farm. So for example, this cacao tree starts giving production, and the good production cacao tree is up to 25 years old. So on the 26-year-old of this one, rejuvenated or rehabilitated cacao, we will do again a rehabilitation or rejuvenation. We'll wait that it will have a shoot here, and then we'll make again a rejuvenation so that the shoot here that will make top grafting will be the one that will give good production. And during that time we will cut this one. We will cut this one because this is not needed anymore, because we have the new rehabilitated or rejuvenated cacao here, but the root system will still remain in this cacao tree that will make this new cacao a good productive cacao. So the same procedure after 50 years, do a rejuvenation again. So the very important is the technology that we transfer to our children's and grandchildren, so that the production of cacao tree will continue for the next generations.